Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a trademark with the USPTO step by step clearly. To register a trademark with the USPTO, start by identifying the trademark you wish to register. Ensure your trademark is distinctive and not merely descriptive. Next, conduct a thorough search of existing trademarks in the USPTO database. This helps to avoid conflicts with trademarks that are already registered. Once you confirm your trademark is available, decide which type of application to file. You have the option to file either a TS Plus or TS Standard application. Gather the necessary information for your application, including the name and address of the applicant. Clearly describe the goods or services associated with your trademark using the correct classifications. If applicable, provide a specimen showing how your trademark is used in commerce. Prepare your application by filling out the necessary forms on the USPTO website. Be sure to review all entries for accuracy before submission. Pay the required filing fee based on the application type you selected. Submit your application and keep track of your confirmation receipt. After submission, monitor the status of your application through the USPTO's trademark status page. Respond promptly to any office actions or requests for additional information from the USPTO. Once approved, your trademark will be published in the official Gazette. You will have 30 days to respond to any oppositions that may arise. If there are no oppositions, your trademark will be registered, and you will receive a registration certificate. Lastly, remember to maintain your trademark registration by filing required maintenance documents at regular intervals. This process helps protect your brand and ensures your trademark remains active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.